Keeping your midsoles clean is easy and makes all the difference in the appearance of your shoes. In this video, we'll show you how to clean your midsoles whether you're at home or on the go. Here are the materials you'll need. 1. Ready-to-use foam cleaner. 2. Durables cleaning brush. 3. Premium microfiber towel. 4. Quick wipes. The first step is to dry brush the midsoles with your Durables cleaning brush to remove any loose dirt. Next, apply a liberal amount of ready-to-use foam cleaner onto the bristles of your Durables cleaning brush and begin scrubbing the midsoles using a back and forth motion. Then, use your premium microfiber towel to simply wipe clean. Repeat these steps until your midsoles are gleaming. Here's an additional pro tip. Wrap your premium microfiber towel around the wood handle of your Durables cleaning brush. Applying slight pressure, use the wrapped brush handle to easily erase away those stubborn dirt spots. Now, if you're out and about and notice your midsoles could use some love, reach for a Markk Quick Wipe. Tear open the foil and use the textured wipe to scrub your midsoles with a back and forth motion. Responsibly dispose of the wipe and packaging, and enjoy the rest of your day.